Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of smartphones, specifically the ViVO Y11. Did you know that this popular device is set to replace its LCD screen with an AMOLED display? That's right, the ViVO Y11 is a fantastic device, but it's about to get even better with this upgrade. The new AMOLED screen will not only enhance the visual experience, but it'll also provide a more immersive and vibrant display. But let's take a deeper look at why AMOLED displays have become so popular in the smartphone world. One of the major advantages is the ability to achieve deeper blacks. AMOLED screens are designed in such a way that individual pixels can turn off completely, which means when you're watching content with darker scenes, you'll notice true black colors that create more contrast. This makes a huge difference, especially if you're a movie buff or love watching shows on your phone. And it's not just about looks. AMOLED screens are known for being more responsive to touch. This makes the overall experience of using the device smoother, especially when gaming or scrolling through apps. If you're someone who's into mobile gaming, the faster refresh rate and responsiveness of an AMOLED screen can give you that competitive edge. Plus, you'll notice better viewing angles. Whether you're watching videos straight on or from the side, the colors and clarity remain consistent. No more tilting your phone to get the best view. Now, some of you may be wondering if there are any downsides to upgrading to AMOLED. Well, while AMOLED screens are generally more durable, they do have a small risk of screen burn-in. This happens when a static image is left on the screen for a long time, which can leave a faint image on the display. But the good news is that modern AMOLED technology has greatly reduced this issue. Plus, with the right care, burn-in is easy to avoid. Another thing to consider is the cost. AMOLED screens are generally more expensive than LCDs, so the upgrade might be a bit pricier. But the improved quality, vibrant colors, and enhanced battery life make it worth the investment if you're looking for a premium viewing experience. For those of you who already own a ViVO Y11, it's worth considering if upgrading to an AMOLED screen aligns with your needs. If you're someone who uses your phone for media consumption, gaming, or even photography, the AMOLED upgrade could be a game changer. So, what do you think? Is the AMOLED upgrade something you're excited about for the ViVO Y11? Let me know in the comments below if you'd consider making the switch, or if you think the LCD is still good enough for your daily use. Thanks for sticking around to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this breakdown or learned something new, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow tech enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest in mobile tech. Until next time, this is CP Tech Guru signing off.